Imagine having a dishwasher that fits almost anywhere, cleans everything from baby bottles to your favorite wine glasses, and doesn't require any plumbing at all. You might not have considered it before, but once you see it in action, it's hard to imagine life without it. Welcome to Buy with Confidence, the channel where we take the guesswork out of choosing home appliances. Today, we're reviewing the Euhomy 6 Programs Countertop Dishwasher, a compact, portable solution designed for apartments, RVs, dorms, and even boats. If you're short on space, tired of hand-washing dishes, or simply looking for a flexible, energy-efficient dishwasher, this model deserves a closer look. The purchase link is in the description below. This is a countertop dishwasher with 6 versatile programs, a 5-liter built-in water tank, and multiple drying options. It's designed for anyone who wants modern dishwashing efficiency without the hassle of plumbing installation. But what makes it stand out in its category, and is it the right choice for you? Let's break it down. Here are the reasons to buy Euhomy 6 Programs Countertop Dishwasher. Reason number 1. Compact, yet spacious design. Measuring just 16.83 by 16.73 by 18.03 inches, the Euhomy fits almost anywhere, but its interior rack can handle over 30 dishes at once, including plates up to 10.25 inches. That means it's not just small, it's cleverly engineered to maximize space, making it suitable for busy households, apartments, or mobile living spaces. Reason number 2. No installation needed. The dual water supply system is incredibly versatile. You can use the built-in 5-liter water tank or connect it to your faucet with the included hose. Tank mode features an automatic water level indicator, simplifying setup. This adaptability makes it an ideal choice for renters, RV enthusiasts, or anyone avoiding permanent plumbing modifications. Reason number 3. Versatile washing programs. With 6 programs, normal, fast, glass, baby care/heavy duty, and fruit, this dishwasher adapts to your specific cleaning needs. The fast cycle completes a full wash in just 29 minutes, while baby care/heavy duty heats water to 167 degrees Fahrenheit for sanitary cleaning. This ensures everything from lightly soiled glassware to heavily greased cookware is cleaned efficiently. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers for consistently thorough results. Reason number 4. Advanced drying system. The Euhomy dishwasher features 60 minutes of hot air drying followed by 73 hours of automatic ventilation. Dishes come out dry, hygienic, and odor-free. The drying function can be paired with any washing cycle or used independently, adding flexibility for those who prefer to wash and dry in stages. Reason number 5. Eco-conscious efficiency. Using just 1.32 gallons per cycle, this dishwasher can save up to 80% of water compared to hand washing. ETL and DOE certified, it's energy efficient, safe, and built to last. Coupled with a 1-year warranty, it provides long-term reliability while reducing water and energy consumption. Final verdict. The Euhomy 6 Programs Countertop Dishwasher is a thoughtfully designed compact appliance that balances convenience, performance, and sustainability. Its main limitations are the need for powder or tablet detergent and the slightly smaller load capacity compared to full-size dishwashers. However, for apartment dwellers, RV owners, or anyone needing a portable yet powerful cleaning solution, this dishwasher delivers above and beyond expectations. It's efficient, versatile, and surprisingly spacious for its size. If you value practical innovation and quality in a compact form, this model is worth serious consideration. Take a moment to evaluate your space, lifestyle, and dishwashing needs, then make a confident decision. The link to purchase is in the description below.